we're gonna do some dancing colors. Isn't that exciting? Dancing colors? Wow. Okay, so for this experiment, we need a big tray. We need some whole milk. We need some food coloring. So we have about 8 colors. And we need some dishwash soap. A container for the dishwasher soap. We need some Q-tip. Are you guys ready to have the fun?
Yeah.
Also, I'll tell you when I need your help. So first step is we're gonna pour a layer of milk.
Yeah, the colors are dancing like this.
Are you guys ready? So here you go. So Rohnik, this is your squeezing bottle and this is your. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour soap in the milk. Pour it. Wow.
Wow.
What do you guys see?
I see rainbows.
You see rainbows. Dancing colors. Wow, Rohnik, what is your favorite part in the whole tray?
Mine is pink.
And green?
Next one.
Next one. Okay, you guys can use more. Guys, did you like it?
Yeah.
So do you know how the milk is made?
Yeah.
Do you eat milk or do you drink milk? So it's made of water and some fats. So when we add some soap on the milk, the fat breaks down. So that is what creates. Yeah, bubbles come from the soap. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
Bye.
See you
Next time. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.